Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back today. So, firstly, I'm a little bit sick. I have my entire left side of my throat is completely closed up, so it's very, very hard for me to talk right now. So I'm gonna keep this quite short. But today's video is inspired by the Met Gala. It was yesterday. I'm super excited for this video. I wanted to recreate my own sort of Met Gala look inspired by like my favorites. So a few of my favorites were like definitely Cardi B, Ariana, Solange, Rihanna, Zendaya was really good, SZA, a few, but there were a lot of very, 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 very bad ones. Like inexcusable, so bad. So I thought that I'd come on here and I would kind of create my own little Met Gala look. I was gonna recreate my favorite, but none of them were like amazing, like to die for. So I'm gonna mesh all my favorites together and do something by myself. So because of my throat, I'm not gonna be speaking through this video. I'll just be speeding it up. All the products will be on the screen. If not, they will be in the description. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And we'll be all done up. So I'll see you guys then. Bye! Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So this is my Met Gala inspired look. So if you didn't know, the theme was Catholic, imagination, and heavenly bodies, I think. So like very, very like Galliano inspired. A lot of like crowns. So you can see from my crown. This crown, like I had the base, but I like beaded it all and like embellished it all myself. This is like just a piece of fabric that's sort of just been like wrapped around my body. And then I've got like a bit of a train, like a veil, and a few jewels. And that is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me. I'm sorry, I'm like so struggling to speak. It hurts so much. I wish I wasn't sick. But yes, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already. New videos, you know, new videos are coming. So if you want more videos, please subscribe. And that is it. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram. It's just Lucy Garland. I'll have like a proper photo of this whole entire situation up if you want to go see it. Anyway, that is all I'm going to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.